life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. These are principles America was founded upon. As Americans, we love our freedom. And there's no better way to show your independence than hitting the road in a motorhome.
I wanna see the world from the edge of my seat. Through a big windshield of a plane, not a TV screen. Don't you need the road to tell you you really are? Find out whether or not a man could ever change his stars. Whoa, baby, this is our time to reignite our American dream.
Over the past couple of years, there has been a fundamental shift in the way Americans work and travel. As a result, more and more people are choosing RVing as their preferred option and enjoying the freedom it brings. With this exciting boom, there is a downside. Did you know that in the past 2 decades, the United States has lost a staggering 5 million manufacturing jobs? The more we rely on foreign imports, the more it damages our sense of national pride. But our story doesn't have to end there. Starting today, we can make a positive change. Working together, we can make America the powerhouse it once was. We start by drastically cutting back on our reliance on products imported from foreign countries. When you support American manufacturing, you put money back into the U.S. economy.
SuperSteer, this is Karen. How can I help you?
One such company committed to products being American-made is SuperSteerParts.com. With SuperSteer, you can count on quality, excellent craftsmanship, and superior steering and suspension products. With that being said, let's take a look behind the scenes and see just how SuperSteer products are made. To do that, we make our way to the great state of Washington.
Built this thing from the ground up out of nothing.
SuperSteer partners with Roadmaster, a proud, made-in-America manufacturing plant. While here, we spoke with the people behind the Roadmaster name.
Hi, my name is David Robinson. I'm the Vice President of Roadmaster. SuperSteer has been a fantastic partner for Roadmaster, much more so than we. SuperSteer has a narrow focus on suspension and handling and steering. Because they are so specialized, they actually know a lot more about certain things than we do, and their expertise has been invaluable in developing new suspension-related products. Great customer, good people, extremely knowledgeable, and we're happy to partner with them.
My name is Rod Flint, and I'm a production supervisor. My relationship with SuperSteer is a daily hands-on phone visit with SuperSteer, dealing with production needs. We manufacture here at Roadmaster, but SuperSteer has become Roadmaster's eyes and ears out in the public. We're really encouraged about the RV industry booming, and we're growing and meeting their needs at the same time.
When we return, we find out why Roadmaster and companies like them choose to have their products American-made. Stay tuned.